guys, which is these are 3 time periods. One is before, one is during the examination, and one is after the examination. In before, I have given you all 2 chapters to learn about. One would be plan your calendar, and second would be get going. During, you have to learn about one most important thing, that is, this is your most important phase of life is the name of the chapter, guys. And the third time period, which is after examination, again I have given you 2 chapters to learn about, which is one is hooray, I have done it, wherein you all can breathe easily and enjoy your life for a few days. And the second chapter that I have given you all here is what next after exams. We start with the first time duration, guys, which is plan your calendar. We come down to our second chapter, get going. Over here, the first point that we have to cover would be countdown begins. Now, since I have already told you, you have to prepare your syllabus, you have to be regular. So now, once you be regular, you know that now today is day 1 and on the 31st day is my exam. So now you have 30 days. So the countdown begins. That yes, now is the first day that I have to do all this, and for the first day I have prepared my calendar according to the chapters that I have to cover. So first, see what is the first day chapter that you will be learning, what is the first day topic that you will be learning. If there is anything practical, jot that also, and make sure that according to this countdown of 30 days in hand, for example, if you have, you make sure that you are covering each and every point of the syllabus according to this countdown that you begin. Second time duration, which is during the entrance exam, wherein you will be learning about the one chapter only that I have put it over here is your most important phase of life. Now students, the first point that we have to learn in during the entrance exam would be to be courageous. As you know that this is the most important phase of life, wherein either you will grow or you will fall apart. So if you want to grow, you make sure that you be courageous once you enter the examination hall. With all your courage and preparation that you've made, make sure that you are the best candidate who will be appearing for the exam with the best marks scores in return. Here it is like, the more you are courageous, the more willpower that you have within you. We finished with 2 time durations, which is before the entrance exams, during the entrance exams, and now we come to our third and last time duration, which will be after the entrance exams. Here there are 2 chapters that we will be covering, guys. One would be hooray, I have done it, and the second would be what next. We come down to our 4th chapter, students, from during, which is hooray, I have done it. In this, the first point that we learn is thank God I'm through. So here, children, after preparing yourself, appearing to the exam, as per the 100% efforts you have put, come out of the examination hall and you say, what a deep sigh you take at that time, and you tell yourself, thank God I'm through. So that is the time that now I'm relaxed. after what next? Next would be judge your performance. Now students, what you've done is you've prepared and planned yourself. You have fared very well during the exam as per the planning done. You also spent a very good enough time, which is quality time for breaking free and enjoying yourself. Now you again need to come back to your toes and prepare what next according to what best you've already done, so that your career starts from here. So first point that we learn over here is judge your performance. Now that you've appeared the paper, you've appeared your examination, so you know what you've done, especially after you've also gone ahead and taken the effort to revise what you've done.